Welcome to video 5. In this video, I'll explain how to use the exporting function to quickly download the most useful student data you may need in order to analyze student progress and complete routine admin. To use this function in the Enterprise Management panel, I'll click on the Export icon here. Here we can see the different functions we can use this tool for. They include, on the teacher side, downloading teacher account data, teacher lesson history data, teacher homework history data, and on the student side, getting your student account data, student test results, student lesson history data, and student homework history data. To show you how this works, I'll request homework history as an example by clicking here. We immediately see a green bar at the top of the screen telling us the export has started, and we receive an email right away with a download link. By opening it here, I can see a full homework history for the students in the school. I'm then able to save it as an Excel file and use the filter function to analyze homework history by class or by teacher, for example. The different functions available here are helpful for student reports and feedback purposes.